Okay, now let me show you how to search for Malaysian thesis online through Myto. So first of all, you can go to this website, myto.upm.edu.my, find. As you can see, it is under UPM because UPM library hosts this website. We go into this website in order to search for Malaysian thesis. But for your information, the thesis available in here is not available in the form of full text, but rather they do provide us with the abstract or first few pages of the thesis online. And if you want to browse the full thesis of any thesis available in this website, you need to physically go to the library in order to get them. So let me show you how to search into this website. So first of all, you just go here and you just type any keyword that you want to search for. For example, I'm looking for thesis with the keyword of unemployment. Then you just simply click find. Then basically they're going to show you the result as you can see here. So there are more than 300 results altogether under your keyword. And by default, they're going to sort by relevancy, but you can also sort by different option here. And among others, you can also use the narrow search function on the right hand side of the page. You can browse by institution who produce the thesis. This is the collection, the author, the advisor as well, granting institution, language, and so on. So once you have refined, and if you want to see and explore further about any of the thesis related to your own study, for example, you find out that okay, this one is might be related to my thesis. If you want to further explore, you can click on the title here. Then down here, they're going to show you the information about that thesis. And the most important one is, please bear in mind about this one, the institution where the thesis is available. So for USM members, for instance, if you want to see and read this thesis, you need to go physically to University Malaya Library in order to browse them. And as you know, among all the public university library, you can enter any public university library in Malaysia. What you need to do is you just bring your own matric card or student card. Then you need to show them at the entrance, so they're going to allow you to enter into their library, and you can simply go to the location where they keep all the theses and you can read them physically there. Some of the theses, they do provide you with something like this. First 24 pages, and actually like this one get full text. If you click, basically you cannot get the full text because this one is belong to the university where it is available, so you need to log in. But if you are not coming from this university, you are not able to access them. So I think that is how you can use Myto in order to identify whether there is any thesis related to your topic in any library, especially the public university library in Malaysia. So at least you get an idea about whether your specific topic have been produced in the form of thesis by other students before this. Thank you.